Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox Nikon D5300 DSLR camera. So let's get started. Okay, so here's our box. So let's get started. So we have lots of instructions in here. We have a disc here. We have an AV cable here. We have an adapter here for charging the camera or battery, I guess. We have a battery charger. We have a remote control. We have a battery. We have another plug for different country like Asian or like another country like which has two plugs. We have a lens in here. There is our lens. We have an USB cable. We have a safety belt for carrying the camera. And we have an extra battery. And I'm not sure what it is. And we got nothing else in the box. And here is our camera. So let's put in the battery. Let's put the battery in the camera. Okay, now let's plug in the lens. I come back after plugging in the lens. I think it's a bit difficult for me. Okay, so I have plugged in the lens. So now let's turn on the camera. So let's select the language. And now I need to set date and time. And I come back after setting the date and time. Okay, so I have set the date and time. So I need to like rotate the zoom ring to take the pictures. So it says here. So here's the button here, and you need to press the button and rotate it. Like this. And then you can take your photos. And as I haven't inserted any SD card, I can't take any picture, but you can take picture if you have inserted SD card. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.